I'm going to go ahead and have the Pampanga.
Tocino.
The Tocino.
Tocino. It's sweet tocino.
I thought it was Tocino.
Tocino.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mabuhay kayo. Paki-subscribe at sampalin ang kampana.
Buddy, it's your boy Dwaine and we are Foreign Vlogging Nation! Yeah!
And now we're gonna eat Filipino food.
Tayo.
Ayan, kain na tayo. Tara na.
Up-here tayo. Oh my gosh, Dwaine. Look at this menu.
This is amazing.
This is really
Wow,
sturdy.
it's not even paper. I didn't expect that. I was not expecting this. And dude, the time is 1 a.m. and this place is still open.
It's the city it's the restaurant that never sleeps.
I'm so shocked.
In the U.S., they have a place called Las Vegas. It's like the city that never sleeps.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
this
the
is like
city-
the Las Vegas of the Philippines.
Yeah.
Mind-blowing.
What do you think we should order?
What's good Kanto food in the Philippines?
What does Kanto even mean?
I think, you know, like when you play Pokemon, the region is
that's
Kanto,
what I
right?
was thinking.
Like,
They must just really love Pokemon here.
They must.
Yeah, let's order. What do
Let's
you
order,
say?
man. Alright, I'm gonna choose the Vigan
Yeah.
Longanisa.
The what?
The Vigan Longanisa.
Where is that? Where is that?
That's right here. Right here. See? Right here.
No, you're
Vigan
pronouncing.
Longanisa.
No, you're pronouncing that wrong. Vegan longanisa.
Oh yeah, you know what? You're right.
Yeah.
That sounds much
Longanisa.
better. Yeah, because it's nicer than other.
I'm going to go with the Tocino.
Taquino.
Yeah.
Cool. Taquino.
And it's from Pampanga.
Oh, Pampanga. I love that place.
Mag-order na kami.
Ayan, order na.
Whoops. Sorry. I mean, we're going to order now.
Excuse me. Kuya.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and have the Pampanga.
Tocino.
The Tocino.
Tocino. It's sweet tocino.
I thought it was Tocino.
Tocino.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what were you
for
gonna
me?
get?
For me, I'll get the this one here.
Yes.
Vegan Longanisa.
Longanisa,
That
right?
vegan sauce comes with the rice and eggs. And then for the eggs, how do you like your eggs?
Oh,
You want scrambled egg?
wow! You get to choose how your eggs are here.
I was
Yeah,
not
so
expecting that.
Yeah, let's go scramble.
Okay, so
Scrambled eggs. Yeah.
Scramble? You scramble your
I
eggs?
do.
I did too.
okay, that's all. How about drinks, sir?
Guys, Dwaine, he just ordered this orange drink, and it's from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and give it a try.
This has changed my life.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like sweetened orange.
Oh my gosh! I was not expecting there to be sweetened orange here in the
Neither was
Philippines.
I. Oh my gosh. What is the meaning of this?
Dude, let me try this this water.
Sampalin ang kampana.
Dude, that's the best tubig that I've ever had. The best
way.
water, yeah.
Oh my gosh. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a dream.
Like
it
a
tastes like a
dream?
dream, yeah.
I wish I could
Like
taste
it-
a dream. That was epic.
Yeah, that was
epic.
so good.
Like I feel like,
I've
wow,
never,
like,
yeah.
in one drink,
Yes.
it's changed my
Never.
life.
Yes.
It's made me shocked.
Yes.
It was unexpected.
Coffee from Batangas.
Wow. Wow, all the way from Batangas and we're in Manila.
You know what's really terrible? Batangas has they recently experienced an earthquake.
Yes.
Volcano.
Volcano, yeah. I mean, wow, when that volcano erupted, like, I just did not expect that. In fact, I didn't expect it so much to the point that I had to make a thumbnail about it. I mean, look at that. We did not expect that. You know what I mean? 2 hours after it erupted, I just was so inspired to make this thumbnail for us.
By the way, that's a beautiful thumbnail.
Thank you.
I think it'll get us.
It will get us so many views. So many. You just got to use calamities to get famous.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this coffee. Okay. Hey, don't they have a Tagalog word for I think they have a Tagalog word for coffee.
Oh yeah, it's cake. Cake.
Oh, I actually thought it was capre.
Oh,
Capre. Yeah, capre.
Oh, yeah, capre. How's the capre?
Dude, that capre just enlivened me. I feel so strong right now, man.
It looks heavenly.
What's a spoon doing here? I use a knife and a fork.
Wow, do they eat with spoons in the Philippines?
I don't know.
That is amazing. Like, I'm so mesmerized with this spoon.
I think it's like this. It's like this.
Oh, I get it now. I get it.
Guys, this is Pampanga Tokino.
And this is vegan longanisa.
Yeah, let's try it. What is the meaning of this? I've never eaten eggs like this before.
No.
With rice? Gosh, isn't this so emotional right now? I like literally feel all of the heart attacks I might have had just go away.
This food is whispering peace to my soul. It reminds me of like rainbows,
Yeah.
like butterflies,
Yeah.
tiptoeing through the tulips.
Yeah.
Like just everything happy.
Look, Dwaine, you need to up it a little bit. You need to up the emotion a little bit. Like they need to feel how emotional this is. Yeah,
Is this emotional enough for you?
this is
Sip sip kamar.
Sleep for Mark. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me right now. Have you had a better meal in your entire life?
I don't think I have, Luchi. I think this right here is it.
Before I die. I want this to be my last meal.
Hey, what's up, guys? Luchi and I have just finished up right now. This was amazing, life-changing. Oh, the bill is here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I mean, wow, this guy's service changed my life. Okay, wow, this bill, it's so cheap.
Yeah.
It's so affordable.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I was not expecting it to be so cheap.
Thank you guys for watching so much. Stay tuned for more Foreign Vlog Invasion. So yun, maraming salamat at alam mo, Dwaine, sa totoo, lagi akong parang nag-aasam-asam ako.
Ganun ba?
Para sa first times. Kasi di ba para sa atin, wala naman tayong pagkikitaon na gumawa ng ito ang first time ko sa pag ganito, di ba? Kasi sobrang tagal kami sa kultura sa kultura ng Pilipinas. Kahit parody lang ito, intindihan ko naman kung minsan kung bakit yung mga foreigners pag unang beses nila sinusubukan nila ang isang bagay, parang napakasabik nila, di ba?
Oo naman.
Yeah.
Siyempre.
Kasi, yeah, I mean, sa totoo talaga, I mean, sobrang daming service and pagkain and whatever na tunay na napakasarap and maganda.
Totoo.
You know? Kaya tayo nandito, no?
Oo nga eh.
Up here.
Ayun.
Up here tayo!
I'm giving myself goosebumps just pronouncing all this crap wrong. I'm like, oh, it's so cringe.